Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man. I'm gonna make this little short video because the client's having trouble. That's the best way to get a hold of me because I have a printed record. Emails don't work good for me. Most people that are emailing are not serious and they don't leave a phone number. And I have to get to too many people to be anyway. It doesn't work for me. So I've got a client that says that he's having trouble that his dust caps don't fit good. So, this is a D300 rotor for the 1 ton. This is like what he's got. And so, I've actually never, as you can see right here, this one is pretty snug. It needs to be tapped down with a rubber hammer. But if you run across one that maybe is a little loose, there's 2 really fast ways to solve the problem. Of course, about the last 20 years, super glue is one of the most valuable little tool in mechanics. And of course, with Harbor Freight, it is the cheapest, most effective, most powerful thread locker you can get. Screw that Loctite. So, anyway, couple little dabs right there. I guarantee you that damn dust cap will stay on. Back in the old days with simple stuff like this, you can adjust the diameter very quickly with a set of pliers. You can adjust the diameter in or out to completely meet your needs. Now you see, I just did that in 3 places. Now I don't know if you can tell, but now some bitch don't want to go down. So it just don't. It doesn't require a lot of effort and pretty easy to do. So you can get the thing to fit however you want to get it to fit. So there we go. Problem solver of the day, July 2026. Adjusting dust caps or spindle caps to suit your needs. God bless you. God bless America, and happy trucking.